What's up, guys? Mustang Doctor, just working on something a little different tonight. I'm going to show you guys how to install the HP Tuner Smart Access cable. So on this Dodge Charger Scat Pack, on all the Dodges really, you've got to pull the PCM, send it away to HP Tuners, have it unlocked, and then you have to install this Smart Access cable. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that tonight because you need to do it on all Dodges, and if you guys are out there tuning Dodges, this is exactly what you need to do. So it's just pop this panel open, and then once we get in here, there's going to be two 7mm bolts right there and there. So it just pops open. It's got some push pins on it. We just pried it all the way out, but there it is. We've got a 7mm bolt. Actually, no, this is a regular Phillips screwdriver. Interesting. Thought these were 7mm. They look like they could be 7mm anyway, so we'll put one of those on because I brought it over. Go from there. Now that those are out, we can drop the bottom part of the dash here. It's just going to be held in with some push pins again. Now that we've got the bolts out. Okay guys, so we got this apart. This clip was the hardest one right here, but as you guys can see, they just all clip in, so you can just peel it right out. Just take some force. So I'm going to grab the cable, the Smart Access cable, and show you guys where that goes. Okay guys, so what this is, we're first going to take out the top pigtail right here. So we're inside the dash cluster in here. We're going to just remove the top one here. Just a little push pin, and then it wiggles its way out. Okay, so we're just going to pull that out. That's the top one there. That's going to go into this end of our Smart Access cable. Actually, no, I'm sorry. That's going to plug right into here, and then this end is going to route back into the main hole that we just unplugged this from. So basically the one we just pulled out is going to go right into the big side of your Smart Access cable. I'm going to plug that in right now with one hand potentially. I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so now that that's in, our HP Tuner Smart Access cable is plugged in to the car itself, or to the wiring harness, and then we're just going to run the new part of the Smart Access cable right into the unit itself inside the car. Clip that in, and we'll just leave this right in here. If we're tuning for someone and it's just a flash and go, you could pull this cable back out, but he's obviously he bought this cable, and we're gonna tune the car all the time. So I'm just gonna leave it right in, and we're gonna put everything back together, and that's it. Now the dash is back intact. We're just gonna put this panel back on, and then we are gonna get into the tuning software here. Okay guys, so now that we have the Smart Access cable installed, we're just gonna do some of the tuning side. The first thing we need to do now that we plugged in the new unlocked PCM and the Smart Access cable is we're going to go in, we're going to turn the car on accessory mode, and then we're going to come in here and clear out all the DTCs, or the check engine codes essentially. Okay, so we're connected to the vehicle now. And I'm just going to go in here and essentially just clear any of my DTCs. Actually really didn't think, yep, there we go. We'll clear all those because they're all inaccurate. It's really just from the PCM being loaded in and then loaded to the car. Okay guys, so we're just doing a read on the Scat Pack right now. We're going to tune this through the RTD device, but for now, he's not here, so I'm going to let him come home and set it up a little bit later, but I just want to read the file onto my side so I can take a look at it in advance. It's just going to take us about 10 minutes to download, which isn't really too bad, and then we'll be on our way. I was able to get in. I had to do it off camera for a second, but was able to get in and clear the DTC codes, and we fired up the car, so it runs really good. We're back in action. Of course, it hasn't been flashed yet or tuned, so we'll get this read and make some adjustments, and then start dialing in the tune and cranking the power up.